can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Zcash. Over the last 24 hours, Zcash is up 44%. Over the last 1 month, Zcash has rallied up by 200%. And on the yearly time frame, Zcash is up over 1,800%. Over the last few weeks, Zcash has been the talk of the town. Over the last few weeks, we have seen Zcash rally up above $700, even getting to as high as $750. How high can Zcash go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We look at Zcash performance against the US dollar. Are we ready for that $1,000 Zcash? Are we ready for Zcash to pump to $2,000? Is the top in for Zcash already? We look at Zcash performance against Ethereum. We look at Zcash performance against Bitcoin. And we'll also look at Zcash market cap, which has gotten to the $11 billion level. Can we get to the $47 billion level? That's our line in the sand for Zcash market cap. We will talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. So over the last 1 week, we've seen a decline in altcoins. We have seen decline in the altcoin market. Over the last 1 week, we have seen the altcoin market dumping aggressively. But Zcash held strong. Zcash is still up 29% over the last 1 week. If you go far over the last 1 month, Zcash is still among the biggest gainers. Zcash is up 200%. Zcash pumps so aggressively, the market participants had to find a narrative for Zcash. They call it the privacy narrative. But guys, don't trust all those yabba you see on social media. We have seen Zcash struggle over the last 5 years. We have seen market participants say Zcash will never pump to the moon. Slowly and surely, Zcash started riding from as low as $15 where it was trading in July of 2024. Zcash went above $700. More than a 4,000% return in less than 500 days. That's what you get for being patient. Zcash didn't just start pumping out of nowhere. Zcash had a proper bear market. From where it was trading in 2021, where Zcash was trading around $360, we saw Zcash dumping aggressively, losing more than 95% of its value in the process. And that's normal. If you're in the altcoin market for a long time, you realize a lot of these altcoins can go down 95%, some of them 99% from their all-time highs, and they can still recover to set new all-time highs. We've seen Zcash do that. We're waiting for Zcash to pass the final level before we start rallying parabolically. I believe the next pump for Zcash is going to be the Blowoff top. A lot of market participants have seeded as they are seeing Zcash pumping aggressively to the higher prices, because one thing that's very crazy in cryptocurrency markets is that a lot of people hate seeing a coin going up when they don't own the coin. So when they start pumping, they start making excuses why it will not continue pumping. And a lot of market participants are getting liquidated right now because they have been shorting Zcash thinking it's going to dump, while Zcash has been pumping aggressively to higher prices. If you look at what Zcash has done over the last few weeks, it's been astonishing. This has been a god candle. Zcash traded at $38 just on the 18th of August 2025. Ethereum was trading at $4,500 then. We were singing Kumbaya. Bitcoin was in its way to all-time highs. But since then, Ethereum has come down to $3,100. Bitcoin has done below $100,000 to as low as $95,000. What has Zcash done since that time? Zcash has rallied from $38 to as high as $700+, more than a 1,600% move in 91 days. The next key level for Zcash, guys, will be that $928 level. We talked about it in the previous video. Zcash might face some resistance there. We saw Zcash getting rejected there way back in December of 2018. I will not be shocked if Zcash pull up one more move to the upside, which is a 31% pump to the upside for Zcash to get to that $942 level. You can see Zcash is moving very crazily, and I strongly believe the biggest gains always come at the end of the market cycle. Zcash pulling up a 45% move in a day. It's very crazy if you think about it. Zcash is up to as high as $727. Another 31% pump to the upside. We see it getting to the $900 level, which means we can easily see Zcash just pump aggressively, liquidating the bears, getting to $1,000. But there's one thing I always say, guys: the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you should take some profits off the market. You're playing a game right here. The game is against other market participants. Your number one job is to buy as low as possible when the prices are down, when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, and you hold when the prices go high. when you see us going to all-time highs, when you see market participants getting excited, singing Kumbaya, we're going to the moon, just like market participants are holding Zcash right now, it will be time to start selling for some sweet profit. One thing is showing the cryptocurrency market, we don't go up forever and we don't dump forever. We have seen it multiple times, even from Zcash. After Zcash was launched, we saw it trading for as high as over $5,000. But when it started dumping, it dumped aggressively to Goblin Town from $5,000 to $27. A lot of market participants would have said that's over for Zcash. Zcash is dead. There's nothing productive about this project. But if you're patient, if you're one of those market participants that believe in privacy, not when it's a hype, when it was actually there down in Goblin Town, the market rewarded you for your patience. We saw Zcash losing 99% of its value. We saw it recover by 3,000%. Its first full bear market, we also saw it dumping 90+%. We saw Zcash losing around 97% of its value. And then, even though in 2021 it couldn't go to all-time highs, we still caught a 1,000% bump to the upside. So these altcoins are very volatile. All you need to do is catch them when they are low. If you take a look at Zcash market cap sitting around $11 billion, fully diluted market cap is $14 billion. Zcash, just like Bitcoin, has a maximum supply of 21 million coins, and in case of Zcash, 16.31 million of those coins are circulating. Zcash all-time highs happens to be $5,941. Zcash is still down 88% from its all-time highs. You want to buy yourself some Zcash, you can do that on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Zcash right there. Zcash is decentralized cryptocurrency focused on privacy and anonymity. It uses the zk-SNARK zero-knowledge proof technology that allows nodes on the network to verify transactions without revealing any sensitive information about those transactions. Right now, there's fear in the general cryptocurrency market, but Zcash is just rallying to higher prices. It's time for Zcash to pump. I'll not be shocked, guys, if in the coming weeks, we see a blow off top in the cryptocurrency market. We see sentiment quickly shift towards extreme greed. We see a lot of altcoins pumping. By that time, Zcash might be trading around $1,000, maybe $2,000. Only time will tell. But there's one thing that is sure: the higher we go, the riskier it becomes, and Zcash can continue pumping forever. You have to put that into consideration. The rally at some point in time will come to an end. $900 is the next critical level. If you look at Zcash performance against Ethereum, Zcash performance against Bitcoin, over the last few days, over the last few weeks, Zcash has been outperforming the two biggest assets we have in the cryptocurrency market. Against Ethereum, Zcash has been pumping crazily. It would have been way profitable to buy some Zcash of Ethereum when Ethereum was in that all-time highs on the 15th of August 2025. Zcash was down bad, but since then, Ethereum has dumped to Goblin Town while Zcash has soared to the moon. Zcash has gone up 2,500% against Ethereum over the last 92 days. How is Zcash performing against Bitcoin? Similar price action. We have seen Zcash go up parabolically against Bitcoin also. Zcash has outperformed Bitcoin by more than 2,300% in just about 90 days. If you look at Zcash market cap, currently sits around $11.4 billion. Zcash market cap, I believe, will tell us where the cycle will end. Zcash market cap could get to as high as $47 billion. That's been my base case or my max scenario. As a $47 billion, run for the hills, because that would have meant Zcash market cap came from as low as $265 million to as high as $47 billion. From what we're currently trading right now, for Zcash to head to that $47 billion region, we need to see Zcash market cap pull off a 328% move to the upside. What will that mean for the price of Zcash? If we see a 328% move to the upside from where Zcash is currently trading right now, if we pull the 328% move to the upside, that will see Zcash trading above $3,000. We see Zcash trading around the $3,000 level. I'll not be shocked if Zcash pumped that high, because a lot of bears right now are still shorting the market. Imagine, for them to get liquidated, we have to see a parabolic blow off top for them to get liquidated. For the last bear to be converted to the bull, we have to believe that Zcash will be going up forever. And we're getting very close to altcoin season. Don't be shocked you start hearing talks of altcoin season. I know this is the most misused word in the cryptocurrency market over the last 2 years. We're going to see altcoin season, we're going to see altcoin season. That's what market participants say. But except 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the next 90 days, we are not yet in altcoin season. And Zcash has been the best performer in the cryptocurrency market over the last 90 days. Zcash is up 1,800%. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. If you're still holding your Zcash, When will you be selling for some sweet profit? Do you think Zcash can blast above the $900 level, going to $1,000, $2,000, maybe $5,000? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Tell me, when will you be selling your Zcash for some sweet profit? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.